Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you guys how I make my special soup. I start off by grabbing 5 cups of water and putting it into a pot, and then I start cutting my mangoes. Once the waters come to a boil, I add all of my mangoes. I'm using around 4. I also grab 1 stick of cassava and start cutting it up. I then add that in. I'm also grabbing a whole brick of tamarind and using the whole block and adding it into the soup. I then grab my bananas. They don't have to be ripe. I cut them up and add them into the boil. While it's boiling, I start cutting my tomatoes. And then I add my tomatoes. And then I start to hand mash them. I then mix it with some water. You want it to have this consistency. I then add that mixture into the boil. I then let everything come to a boil and add some salt. I then add some black pepper. You can season to your liking. And there you have it. You can eat this with some plain white rice or even some naan bread. It's really delicious. It's also really yummy to eat alone like a soup.